Very, very quickly, I want to go to the Bihar numbers. Bihar, let's take a look at what the ETG projection for 2024 is. And BJP plus is at 31, which means they are losing 8 seats as compared to 2019. RJD and Congress together are getting 8 seats and others are at 1. Let's take a look at the vote share now. The vote share projection for 2024 Lok Sabha elections is 49%. RJD is at 39%. RJD Congress is 39% and others are at 12%. Let's quickly take a look at the comparison between 2019 and 2024. And here is where the figures stand. The BJP is losing a few seats, just about 1 or 2 seats. It's the JDU which is losing a lion's share of the seats. Even though, remember, they are the junior partner. In Bihar, they are contesting 1 seat lesser than the BJP. The Congress is gaining. Last time they only had Kishanganj. This time they are likely to get 2 to 3 seats. That's quite a surprise. And RJD getting 4 to 5 seats. Jay, first thoughts.
Yeah. Now, one thing is very clear. The JDU has lost credibility. Palturam, as in, they're calling him there. Clearly, he's not been able to convert even his own Love Kush equation. They said he's the master of the Love Kush equation, the Kurmi Kushwaha social coalition. Even that has not worked. Apparently, some section of the Kushwaha has gone with the RJD. That seems to have happened in some seats. That's point number 1. The second point we are now seeing is, though the CPI-ML is not seen to be winning seats, it's actually helped RJD and Congress convert more. Partly around Patliputra, Karakat, Jehanabad, the CPI-ML has helped the RJD convert something. So one is RJD gets a conversion in the CPI-ML belt. The Congress gets a conversion better in the Kishanganj-Katihar belt. That's the summary.
Okay.
Congress may not win in Kishanganj.
I don't think
it's a tripolar fight. It's a tripolar. There are 2 seats.
But at least
there are 2 seats where we need to look at others. Who are the others? It can either be Papu Yadav or it could be Kishanganj seat won by MIM. There is a strong possibility. I have my exit poll says NDA is 33 to 38. I think yours is coming to somewhere around close to around 32.
Yeah, that's correct.
So 32, 33 is the number which we can believe.
Okay, so
we had 17 last time, it's 16 or 15. So,
so BJP is holding ground. But it's the JDU which is losing.
Which is what's happened in Maharashtra. So both the places where the alliance has now gone, shifted from the UPA or the India alliance to the BJP, the alliance has not performed, but BJP has retained its seat.
So you see the poll of polls over there. The BJP overall, or rather the NDA, is getting 33 seats.
Right.
The RJD and Congress together are getting 6 seats, and others are pretty much drawing a blank. I believe we are joined by Mr. K. Annamalai now.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.